Haiti is taking new steps toward a better future. Well, you know, Haiti is taking new steps toward a better future. The foundation of this future is better infrastructure. People must be able to move safely, and goods must be able to move reliably. For too long, poor roads have isolated communities. Weak bridges have failed during storms. This has made economic progress very difficult. Now new plans are in motion. These plans are supported by the Haitian government and international partners. They focus on building roads and connections that can withstand challenges. This work is essential for the country's long-term stability and growth. The core of this effort is a set of carefully planned projects. A major initiative is the World Bank's $80 million Resilient Corridors project. This project is a significant investment and upgrade key connecting roads. Another vital project is a new highway. This highway will connect the capital, Port-au-Prince, to the northern part of the country. These large-scale projects are designed to create major arteries for commerce and travel. They will link economic centers and improve access to the capital city for millions of people. These plans are not just about building new things. They are about fixing what is broken and making it stronger. The projects target specific, high-priority areas. This ensures that the investment has the maximum possible impact. For example, the focus on resilient corridors means building roads that can survive hurricanes and heavy rains. It means creating infrastructure that does not wash away, leaving people stranded. This approach is practical and necessary. It recognizes the environmental realities of Haiti and plans accordingly, creating a foundation that can be trusted. The World Bank's project provides clear targets. It will focus on National Road 2, Les Quais, Saint Louis du Sud. It will also upgrade Departmental Road 41, border with the Dominican Republic. Good design is critical for the success of these new roads. In Port-au-Prince, streets can be improved with practical, low-cost solutions. Where space allows, adding dedicated bus lanes can significantly speed up public transit. This makes commuting more reliable for thousands of people every day. We must also build safe, covered bus stops. These protect people from the sun. These protect people from the rain. Simple, clear signage is also essential. Signs help drivers navigate. Signs reduce traffic. Signs improve overall road safety. Every detail matters in creating a functional urban transport network. For both urban roads and rural roads, managing water is key to longevity. Roads must be built with proper drainage systems. This prevents flooding. This protects the road surface from being washed away during heavy rains. Bridges must be constructed to withstand powerful river currents and storm surges. Using local materials, such as stone and timber, can help reduce costs. It also supports local economies. The completion of a road is not the end of the work. It is the beginning. Long-term maintenance is essential for protecting these valuable assets. Without it, new roads can quickly fall into disrepair. The establishment of the Saint-Michel-de-l'Atelier Road Maintenance Center by UNOPS and the government is an excellent model. This center supports the daily upkeep of road infrastructure. It trains local teams to handle routine repairs. More centers like this are needed across the country. A national strategy for maintenance ensures that today's investments will continue to serve Haitians for decades to come. The international community has a role to play in supporting this vision. The proposed Louverture Economic Development Plan calls for resilient infrastructure and coordination with institutions like the World Bank and the Inter-American Development Bank. With steady commitment and continued partnership, Haiti can build a transport network that supports a safer, more connected, and more prosperous future for all its citizens.